Before you buy anything for your Airbnb, watch this. Because if you're anything like I was when I started, then you're probably filling out your Amazon basket right now with stuff that you think your guests will love. But in reality, a lot of those items, they are a waste of money. It's a nightmare for your cleaners and could actually hurt your reviews. So in this video, I'm breaking down 10 overrated Airbnb items that you should start buying right now. And I'll show you what to focus on instead to actually save you money and keep your guests happy. Number one, high-end coffee machines. Those pound espresso machines with a million different buttons. Trust me, they're a headache. Guests don't want to start reading through manuals or watch a YouTube video just to make a coffee in the morning. Imagine spending £500 on a machine only to get a bad review because your guests couldn't make a cup of coffee in the morning. They just want something simple and reliable. Go with a basic cafetiere. They're cheaper, they're easier to operate, easier to clean, and less likely to break. Number two, kitchen gadgets that no one uses. Those toaster makers, juicers, crepe machines. They sound good, but no one uses them. Meanwhile, they take up valuable space, they collect dust, and they give your cleaners more work every single turnover. Stick to the essentials. Kettle, toaster, microwave, cafetiere. That's it. Number three, sofas that are style over substance. You know, that beautiful velvet sofa might look amazing in photos, but it's uncomfortable, it's hard to clean, unstable, or too delicate. Guests will notice, and you best believe they will complain. Just go for sofas that are durable, they're wipeable, and they're comfortable. Looks does matter, but function wins every time. Number four is color sheets. You know, guests feel uneasy with dark shades, and they associate white shades with hotel and luxury and cleanliness. So just do yourself a favor, stick with white shades, plus they're easy to bleach. Number five, difficult to replace crockery sets. Those matching, beautiful, expensive ceramic sets looks nice until a plate breaks and you can't replace just one. Then you're left with a weird looking set or buying a whole new one. Get your crockery from places like IKEA or Amazon, where replacements are actually easy to find, and you can get good quality basic crockery at really affordable prices. Number six, projectors and fancy electrical gadgets. Projectors sounds cool, but 90% of guests won't use them. They don't want to start fiddling with HDMI cords or wonder why it's not connecting to Netflix. And those that do want to use it, they're going to pull their hair out trying to figure it out and end up disturbing you or your team constantly for instructions. They're just not worth the headache. Stick with a smart TV, set it up properly, and leave clear instructions. By the way, if you want help setting up your Airbnb business the smart way, from the exact tech I use to the automations and all of the pricing tools, check out the link in the description to apply for our mentorship program. You know, we help hosts just like you avoid expensive mistakes like this ones I'm talking about and scale with confidence. Now, number seven, cheap hotels. Buying that 10-pack of thin towels might seem smart until guests complain. Thin towels feel cheap, they wear out fast, and they reflect poorly on your brand. Sometimes they barely even fit around the guests. Like, it's not a good look. Invest in medium, weighty, fluffy white towels. They last longer and they feel luxurious without breaking the bank. And here's a quick tip. Make sure to wash them before the first use. No one wants to start dusting fluff off them after using your towel. Number eight, plug-in air fresheners. They're meant to make your place smell good, but many guests hate artificial scents. And to be honest, I do too. Some guests could even be allergic. Just focus on real cleanliness and use essential sprays if you must. Number nine, the travel size hair dryers. What are those things about? Who has ever used one of them and has been happy with them? They're designed to save space, but they're frustrating to use. Guests with long, thick hair will hate them. Just invest in a standard full-size hair dryer. These things are like 20 quid. It's a small touch, but makes a massive difference. And then number 10, expensive decorative items. That £200 abstract vase. It's not gonna make or break your reviews, but it might get knocked over and broken. So who wants to walk around nervous in an Airbnb that they're meant to be relaxing in? Now, you have to charge a guest £200 for a vase that their child has broken by accident. What do you think that review is gonna look like? Focus on minimalist, durable decor. Keep things stylish, but simple and replaceable. And I've got a bonus number 11 for you. Cheap or second-hand mattresses. Never, ever, ever go cheap on the mattress. Guests don't care if the lamp is from John Lewis. If the bed feels like a rock or their sleep is uncomfortable in the slightest, you're getting a 3-star review. Always go for quality hotel-style mattresses. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Now, if this video has saved you money or given you some clarity, then be sure to like this video, share it with a fellow host, and subscribe for more Airbnb tips that actually work. And let me know in the comments, what's the most overrated thing that you have bought for your Airbnb? Remember, the goal isn't to impress guests with fancy things that they don't need. It's to create a clean, comfortable, well-run space that gets 5-star reviews that they're going to book over and over again and consistent income. And if you want to build a real business with Airbnb, not just hostess side hustle. Again, click on the link in the description to register for my free training where I show you how to do this step by step. We'll help you do things the right way from your first listing to your first 10K month. I'll see you on the inside.